Gardening for Love. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the hills, there lived a kind-hearted old man named Samuel. Samuel was loved and respected by everyone in the village for his wisdom and compassion. He had a beautiful garden where he grew the most exquisite flowers. People from far and wide would visit his garden to admire the vibrant colors and delicate fragrance of his blooms. One day, a young girl named Lily came to visit Samuel's garden. Lily was captivated by the beauty around her and couldn't help but express her admiration to Samuel. "Your garden is like a paradise, Samuel. How do you manage to make it so beautiful?" she asked with wide-eyed wonder. Samuel smiled warmly and replied, My dear Lily, the secret lies not only in the seeds I sow but also in the care and love I give to each plant. I believe that kindness and love can make any garden flourish." Intrigued by Samuel's words, Lily decided to learn more about gardening. She asked Samuel if he would teach her how to grow such magnificent flowers. Samuel agreed, thrilled to share his knowledge and passion with the young girl. Over the next few months, Samuel patiently guided Lily through the art of gardening. He taught her how to prepare the soil, sow the seeds, and tend to the plants with love and care. Lily diligently followed Samuel's instructions, working tirelessly in her own small garden. As time passed, Lily's garden began to blossom. Her flowers were vibrant and full of life, just like Samuel's. The villagers marveled at the transformation and praised Lily for her newfound skills. But Lily remained humble, always acknowledging Samuel's guidance and support. One day, as Lily was tending to her garden, a group of villagers gathered around her. Among them was a wealthy merchant named Benjamin, known for his love of luxury and material possessions. Benjamin looked at Lily's garden with envy and said, "Your flowers are indeed beautiful, Lily. I will pay you handsomely for them." Lily was taken aback by the offer. She had never grown flowers with the intention of selling them. She turned to Samuel, seeking his advice. Samuel smiled and said, "Lily, true beauty lies not in the wealth it can bring, but in the joy it can bring to others. Remember, the real treasure is not in selling the flowers, but in sharing their beauty with those around you." Lily pondered Samuel's words and declined Benjamin's offer. Instead, she invited the villagers to come and enjoy the garden whenever they wished. Lily saw the happiness her flowers brought to people's lives and felt fulfilled. Her garden became a place of solace and inspiration for those seeking beauty and peace. News of Lily's selflessness and the beauty of her garden spread far and wide. People from neighboring villages flocked to see the magical haven she had created. Lily's garden became renowned as a symbol of love, compassion, and the power of sharing. Inspired by Lily's actions, Benjamin decided to change his ways. He realized that true wealth was not measured by the possessions one had but by the impact one made on others. Benjamin started supporting local artisans, helping them preserve their crafts and providing them with fair wages. As the years went by, Lily's garden continued to flourish, But it was not just her garden that grew. The entire village experienced a transformation. The people became more caring and generous, understanding the true value of love and sharing. And so, the moral of the story is this: true beauty lies not in what we possess but in what we give to others. When we nurture and share our talents, kindness, and compassion, we create a garden of happiness and abundance in our own lives and in the lives of those around us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.